Using metal plates instead of wood for your load path connections can totally change the game when you need extra strength or have tight spots to work with. So, when you're figuring out if metal plates can step in for wood in your load path, here's the scoop. First off, always get an engineer's okay before switching things up. That's non-negotiable for safety. Steel brackets or metal plates are super strong and can handle loads better than wood alone, especially if space is tight or the wood's shape is tricky. You'll want to anchor these metal pieces with bolts, not just nails, to keep everything locked down tight. Combining metal plates with wood parts often gives you the best of both worlds, strength plus flexibility. Make sure whatever you use meets local building codes because they're there to keep your home safe. If you're working on a spot that takes a lot of weight or stress, metal is usually the way to go, but never skip checking with a pro. Also, keep in mind that corrosion can mess with metal plates over time, so pick ones made from galvanized steel or those with rust-resistant coatings. Lastly, don't forget that proper installation is key. If the plates aren't secured right, they won't do their job. One of the biggest mistakes people make with load path connections is skipping engineer approval. This can lead to unsafe structures and code violations. Fix it by always consulting a structural engineer before replacing wood with metal plates. Another common issue is using nails instead of bolts or screws for anchoring metal connectors, which weakens the hold. The fix here is simple. Use the right fasteners like bolts recommended by building codes. The third mess up is ignoring corrosion protection on metal plates, which can cause rust and failure over time. Make sure to choose galvanized or coated steel and check them regularly. BigHomeProjects.com hooks up homeowners with trusted local contractors who know their stuff and follow all the safety rules. For contractors, it's a solid way to find new clients and grow their business without the usual hassle.